Hello everyone. So in this video we will see about the Snap Order and Snap Merchant flow. And as you know, Snap Order is a consumer facing application from which the consumers will place their orders to the respective retailers. So as you can see the Snap Order icon on the screen, once you tap on this Snap Order icon, you will be landed to a home screen where at the top you will be able to see the name of the retailer from whose store you are currently placing the order. And here you can also see the banner page where you will be able to see all the store offers that are presently running in that store, and you can also see the list of frequently purchased products, and you can just tap on any of those products and you can simply move it to the cart like this. Now here in this application your customer can see his purchase list also, from where he can see all his past purchases by swiping left or right, and he can simply tap on any of the product that he wants to be moved to the cart. So this is one of the quick add procedure for adding the products to the cart. Now here the customer also has a option to maintain his own shopping list. He can create his own shopping list and he can add items to this shopping list, and he can tap on any of the item and move it to the cart like this. Apart from this, your customer can also track his order, and he can tap on any of the order to view its details, and there he can review the summary of that past order, and he can also see the order status for that order. Apart from this, your customer can also see his My Stores list, from where he can see all the list of the retailers from whose store he is placing the order. And if he wants to add any of the new store, he can just tap on this plus icon at the top and he can just tap on yes, after which he can enter the mobile number of that particular store from which he wants to shop. So in this way he can see the list of all the stores. Apart from this, he can also see all the store offers in the store offers section, where he will be able to see all the store offers that are presently running in that store, and he can simply tap on any of the item. He can specify the quantity like this and he can move it to the cart like this. And we also give the customer the criteria for redeeming reward points, where he can just come to the rewards section and he can see his Snap Points current balance, which he can use on his later purchases to redeem this balance, and I will show you this at the end. Now I will show you how he can shop the products from categories. He can come to categories, he can tap on this drop down to see all the list of subcategories, and then he can come to any of the subcategory to see all the items that are present in that subcategory. Then he can tap on any of the item, he can specify its product quantity like this, and he can move it to the cart. So this is how he can add it to the cart. Once everything is added to the cart, he can come to this cart section over here, and here he also has an option to edit the quantity of these products if he wants, like this. Let's say we edit it to 3, and if he wants to delete any of the items from the cart, he can even do so by tapping on delete. So this is how he can delete it, and after that he can just proceed to checkout. In the checkout screen, the customer will be able to see the order total amount along with the option to either choose pickup or delivery. Let's say he will choose delivery, so here he can just specify the delivery slot timings and he can press on continue. And in the delivery address section, he can enter the address details for his delivery and he can just tap on continue. After that, he can just tap on cash on delivery to continue again, and then he will be landed to an order review section where he can review his order by seeing the entire summary of his order, including the total amount and saved amount. And here, as you can see, there is a reward point section over here. So if he taps on redeem, he can just redeem all these points. The amount will be automatically deducted from his total billing amount, as you are able to see it over here. And after that, he can see the delivery information and delivery date and timing, and he can just place the order. So this is how the customer can easily place this order, and his order will be then placed, and then he will receive a notification bar also that his order has been placed. And after that, he will be able to receive the email regarding his order also, like you're able to see it over here. Now this is all about the Snap order. So let's move on to the Snap Merchant application, from where the retailer will now process this order. So Snap Merchant application is the retailer facing application, as you all know. So as you are able to see the Snap Merchant application on the screen, once you tap on the Snap Merchant application, you will be again landed to a home screen of the Snap Merchant application. And in this home screen you will be able to see the My Order section, where you will be able to see all the new orders, and in process orders you will be able to see all the orders that are already processed. Delivered section you will be able to see all the orders that are delivered, and if you have cancelled any of the orders, then you will be able to see them in cancel section. Now before processing the order, let's see all the features that the merchant gets in this Snap Order Merchant application. So when you come to this option menu bar, you will be able to see My Account section, where you will be able to see the store details of your store, like the name of the store and the phone number, and you can also see the current balance. Apart from this, you can come to the Manage Products to see all the products that are present in your store, and you can also search for the products by entering the name or barcode in the search box. Now let's enter the name in the search section like this. So once you search any of the product, you will be able to see the entire list of that product. And apart from this, if you tap on any of the category or subcategory, you will be able to see entire list of products that are present in that particular subcategory. And here you have an option to edit or delete that product. Let's say if you want to edit the price of the product, you can just come to this edit icon over here. If you want, you can increase or decrease the price. Let's say if you want to decrease this price, you can do it like this, and you can just submit to save this price, and now the product will information will be updated successfully. Now apart from this, on tapping on any of the product, you will also have an option to set that particular product on deal, and you can also enable this product in the Snap Order application by tapping on this enable icon in the show in the consumer app section. Currently, as you are able to see, this is already enabled. If you want to disable it from Snap Order, you can just disable this icon. Let's enable it again. Once you are done with enabling, you can also see the on deal checkbox at the bottom of that enable icon. So if you tap on this on deal checkbox, you will be able to set that particular item on deal, and you can show it in store offer section. So this is how you will enable store offer in your store, and you can set the deal price also. You can set the deal price that should be less than the sales price, and you can then specify the deal end date like this. And if you want to enable push and SMS notification, you can even do so, and if you want to disable it, you can even do so, and you can just submit on it. So this is how you can set store offers in your store. And then in the Snap Order, your consumers will receive this push notification regarding that store offer that is running in your store. So this is how you can push offers from your Snap Merchant to the Snap Order to your customers. So this is all about Manage Products. Once you come back over here in this Manage Products section only, you can tap on this plus icon at the bottom to add any of the item into your My Store, and you can just add all the details like name, barcode and everything, and you can submit to add this particular product to My Store. Let's say I want to add almonds, then I can specify its barcode, and I can specify its unit of measure, and I can specify its category. Let's say it comes in staples, dry fruits. So I will specify its category and subcategory, and I will then set the sales price. Let's say it's 450 and the MRP was 480. If I want, I can even upload the image. For now I will leave it, and I can just submit it, and this item will be added to my inventory. So this is how you can manage your products from this application. And apart from this, you will have an option to see the store offers section, where you will be able to see all the store offers And you can even search these store offers by their name if you want, and you can search it like this. Apart from this, you can even edit the details of this store offer. Now let's come to the home screen again to process the order. So as you are able to see this new order at the top, let's process that order only. So once you tap on this new order, you will be able to review that order, where you will be able to see the entire order summary. And if you want to edit the quantity for that order, you can even do so, and you can even delete this product. Let's edit the product quantity. So now here I can increase or decrease the quantity as per my customer's choice, and I can just submit. So this is how you can edit the quantity of that particular product. And then you can process the order or you can cancel the order. Now let's process the order. Once you tap on process the order will be moved to the processed section, which you will be able to see in process, and the customer will receive a notification saying your order is being processed, that he will receive in the Snap order. Once the order will move to the process state, you can tap on this processed order, where you will be able to edit the price for that order. You can increase or decrease it as per your choice. Let's say I want to reduce it and I want to give discount to my customer like this, so I can do so and submit it. So here you will have an option to change the billing amount. Apart from this, if you tap on delivered, you will have an option to mark this order as delivered by tapping on OK, and then this order will be moved to the delivery state, which you will be able to see it in the delivered section over here at the top. So this is all about how you can process the order. Now let's say if you want to cancel any of the order, you can come to this my orders section. You can tap on any of the order, and then you can just cancel the order by specifying the reason for cancellation like this, and you can just submit. So now this order will be moved to the cancelled state, which you will be able to see over here. So as you are able to see this top order, this is the cancelled order. So this is all about how you can process the order from Snap Merchant. Thanks for watching.